Hi everyone, welcome to Irene channel in Try to Cook or Can Eat or Not. I will try to cook the new menu that I never cooked before. After 2 episodes that I already cooked Korean food, but today I won't cook Korean food. I will cook Japanese food. Can you guess what menu that I'm gonna cook? Ta-da! Yes, I will cook curry. I will cook fried chicken with curry. So before we're gonna go to see the ingredient and how to cook, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Did you do it? Okay, after you follow me, after you already subscribe, like and share this video, let's go to see how I gonna cook and is this gonna can eat or not, is gonna be delicious or not. Let's go. Okay, for the first step, we will marinate the chicken for frying. And this is just 1 piece of chicken. And then we will put layer crispy flour. Okay. After that, we will put layer. How to call it in English? I don't know. เกล็ดขนมปัง I will put it. I will put it on the subtitle. I don't know how to call it in English. Layer bread. Something about bread. Like this. Okay, we will go to fry the chicken. Let's go. Okay, finally I think we already got the fried chicken. For the next step, we will cook later. We will cook our curry receive. Put a bit of oil. We will put a bit of oil to fry the vegetable. First, we will put the potato to the fry. And then we put the carrot. Okay, and don't forget to set the power in the low power. And then put the onion. After that, we will put like curry, Japanese curry. Actually, for the Japanese curry, there are three levels of the curry, and this one is the low, the low spicy one. Finally, we got the curry receipt. Ta-da! After we got fried chicken and curry receipt, we will put in the top, on the top of the lights. Finally, we got fried chicken and with curry, with Japanese curry actually. Okay, I will eat it. Let's see. It's gonna be delicious or not. The smell is good. Okay. Start with the chicken. With the potato. honestly it's really delicious. If I give the point, if full score is 10, I will give maybe 8. 8.5, okay, 8.5. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share this video, please. For the next episodes or menu, if you can recommend me to cook any menu or the menu that quite easy to cook, not too hard to cook, you can recommend me in the comment. And for today, bye bye.